Hey, what's going on, crew? Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be taking a look at a case for the Motorola G72. Stay locked in with me. Hey, what's going on, crew? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be taking a look at a case for the Motorola Moto G72, and this is going to be a nice case. Now, the Moto G72 that I purchased on Amazon, and I'll make sure I leave the cheapest link down below, comes with this gel style case, which is actually pretty good. It offers a lot of lip protection, has all the cutouts for the ports, and it has a really nice sleek design, and it gives you a transparent back so you can actually appreciate the smartphone. It also does have a little bit of lip for the cameras, giving it a little bit of protection when it's laying on a surface, but it does give you actually a nice amount of lip on the camera so that it doesn't intrude with the the module of the camera won't rock as much with the case on, I noticed. But today we're going to be taking a look at this case right here for the Motorola G72. All right, so this is a case called the Junru Slim case design for the Motorola G72, and it comes in this blue color. You could also get it in the black color, and what I really like is that this case is going to offer a really nice design. It's actually only $7.99, which is down 20% from the $9.99 that it was originally marked at, and it offers a brushed back as well as a carbon fiber texture. And so the brush texture is not, it says right here, is not only elegant but also anti-fingerprint, and so it has a nice feel in the hand. It's made of a high quality TPU, and so it's pretty soft, it says right here, and lightweight, they claim, and it also does not slip. So it does offer you screen protection, camera protection, and it just gives you a nice little elegant design for this device. So I'm going to remove the TPU case, the gel style case that came with the Motorola G72. And what I really like about the Motorola G72 is it offers this nice matte finish on the back with that cloud white color, offering a really nice elegant look to it. So without any further ado, we're going to go ahead and take a look at this TPU case for the Motorola G72, okay? But if you're brand new to the channel, I truly appreciate you for coming through. But if you're already a part of the crew, salute. So let's just open up this packaging right here. And I ordered this from Amazon, so I'll make sure I leave the cheapest links down below. But it comes in this packaging right here, which basically gives you some branding that says protective case, pretty generic overall packaging, and it says new protective case, my device, my life. And so it doesn't give you much details as far as on the packaging, so it's basically this little plastic bag that it's wrapped in. Taking it out of the packaging, you're going to notice that it is wrapped inside. It has a styrofoam filling, and I've seen cases like this before from my other devices, so it's pretty familiar. But it has this webbed honeycomb inner design, which is going to be good for dissipation when you get drops. So it's got this anti-shock absorption pattern inside of it. It's got the little diamond icon on the sides. It's kind of got these angular grips, so it's like an angular cutout, the way it's carved and the way it's, you can see right here, it gives you a decent looking, symmetrical design on top and bottom. You get this little line right here, and on the top it has this little carbon fiber strip, as well as on the bottom with the brushed looking material. And it's pretty flexible as well, but it's definitely a good price. It'll offer this button right here, cutout, volume rockers. Top, it does have the microphone cutout. On the other side, it's just straight nothing on here on that side, and then on the bottom you get the 3.5mm headphone jack cutout, the Type-C cutout, and the speaker cutout. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the Motorola G72. Now, as far as the overall look of it, you can still see that the camera is well protected on the lip as far as the camera, so it's not going to touch when it hits the surface, and there's no rock on the table when you put it on a flat surface, so it won't move around. It's not going to wiggle or anything like that. And so it has a pretty nice grip with the brushed material on the back. You can see the angular aerodynamic design, which is kind of cool. And as far as holding it in the hand, it offers a nice, slim look. You can see the facial recognition worked right away. The buttons kind of feel pretty good. Facial recognition on this device is really fast. Let's test out the fingerprint now. So everything just seems to be nice with this case so far. There's no real flaws about it. It does fit the case perfect. It does offer a pretty decent amount of lip on the front of the phone, and so when it comes to protecting the screen, it's going to be basically give you a nice feel on the front and back, because when you put it flat down, it's not going to scratch the screen. And when you put it on the back, it's not going to rock, but it's still going to prevent scratches on the camera lenses. And it's pretty decent to hold overall. It has a pretty solid weight and a nice color to it. I definitely like the color of this case, but it's not going to be too bulky. It's going to be pretty slim. And so it's just perfect. It has really big cutouts for the Type-C cable, so it's not going to intrude on any, ports, as far as like putting the headphone jack in, because you can see those really large cutouts for the headphone jack, and as far as the speakers, and as far as the Type-C cable, and even the microphone on top has a nice decent size cutout, so that it's not going to intrude when it comes to listening to music. And so the buttons are pretty clicky when it comes to the overall display. When it comes to the overall buttons, you could see they're pretty responsive when I'm using the volume rockers. And so for $7.99, I think this is going to be a really solid case overall. So I'm really digging this case so far. So I'm going to be using this one because it's a little bit more, not only fashionable, but also has a nice brushed aluminum pattern, which I like, and a nice design on the top and bottom. So I definitely like this case for the G72. So I definitely would recommend it if you're looking for a cheap case, because there's not too many cases for this device so far. But let me know what you guys think about this case for the Motorola G72 in the comment section. And I appreciate you for making it this far in the video. If you're still here, just type down below, "I'm still here," in the comment section, so I know you're still kicking it with me. And I'm going to check you guys later. But in the meantime, have a great morning, afternoon, evening. And depending on where you are, have a great night. But just type "I'm still here," so I know you're still rocking with me. And I just want to remind you to hit the like button so we get this video out to more people. Okay? Later, crew. Peace.